And worm. Alright. Okay, yes. Squirmy mermy. Worm. Worm the worm. We're at the last ride of the day. Right here. And Mom loves this ride too. There it is.
Want to go outside of me? Ooh, we get to be on the top. Scary part.
Well, both of them are basically the same. They both go up really high.
I know, but we're on the end. Are you recording me? That's okay. I don't care. This is fine. Hey, we are having a lot of fun today, right? Do you remember that movie?
Oh, okay. So, with the back came swinging and hit somebody. I don't remember anything. What? That's not an iPhone. Here we are to the ride. Worm. Worm.
Oh, that's really cool. Wait, so we just came all the way back this way and you don't want anything new?
I wasn't. Are you really gonna make me eat?
Yes, the money is to eat food.
I know, but I just said, are you gonna make me eat?
You should eat. I don't want to hear you want something on the way home when we can. We're gonna eat here.
There's the spider and there's the dragon ride. Who's this guy? Oh, that was a cool phone. Oh, that lady had a Nokia. The whole phone was lighting up. Huh. Man, this place. You like the Egyptian stuff?
I really want to go on that robot ride.
Wormy, wormy, super squirmy.
Where are we going?
Hermit crab.
This is where all the...
This is Project X.
Project
But
X.
it doesn't look like we have time. Alright. There's only a gas. They're all sideways. Seriously, I wonder if there's like any phones in the water. What?
I know. Did you just keep pressing that, right?
No, I just hold it down.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I'm trying to make a wide turn. Don't get me stuck. You're gonna get me stuck.
Oh yeah.
Now you're stuck.
They're gonna crash. Oh yeah. Oh, she bumped. That's what Mommy said. Man, I wish these had horns. Mom's all angry. Hey, the water's actually working on the shower. You've never been here. Mom, go. Is someone just sitting over there?
And I'm about to go backwards.
You can't.
It won't let me.
I could see my breath. Mom's like, I'm a breath. Oh no. My boat ran out of power. No, I'm just kidding.
Look up. That made you look.
Huh?
Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. This is not the way to go.
It sounds like me.
This is great. Don't get wet. Try again if you dare.
Whoa. I don't know, you can see the breath. Mom, the monkeys. They said they want you. Oh, you get over it. No, I'm just kidding. Mom's like, yeah. Oh, Mom. Woo! Oh, that's... Is he talking to us? I wish you can honk this. I'm just picturing this from my last video.
High school.
I'm pushing everybody.